Good morning everyone. Well, it's not morning anymore, it's a little bit after 12, but I was just working out my computer, so I decided to start my day right now. So just have a shower and I'll put a little bit of foundation and we'll start work. By the way, welcome to my small business. I want to talk a little bit about Etsy and talk about maybe you know more than me, because I think I need to do a little search about Etsy because I'm having some problems with it. And yeah, so I'll put a little face. And wait, I just came back from Lithuania and I brought a lot of fall fabrics, so I want to start doing fall collection because everyone's coming out with Halloween collection. I won't have specifically Halloween collection, but I'll have fall collection, but I still need to make some my non-seasonal products, like finish some headbands. This is just from a regular collection, so I need to finish the ends of this. Some more pictures. This is the new fabric that I'll have. Beautiful fabric. I'm gonna do live TikTok while I'm creating pieces, and yeah, I have to make one order, so I will do that too. My partner's coming back home, so I probably won't be talking a lot. I thought he will be working 4 hours, but he's coming back, so yeah, maybe I'll finish tomorrow. I don't know, so it will be 2 days combined video, but enough of talking, let's start. So I know it's my first vlog, but I will start doing my face. The past 10 years as a makeup artist, and that's my qualification. So I was a makeup artist for 10 years. When this happened, I felt that I lost not even the passion, that I just don't fit anymore in it. I don't feel happy working as a makeup artist, and I was lost. So I always was selling makeup brushes on my website. Oh! And I always had scrunchies as like a bonus, you know, on my website that you can purchase. And a year ago I started like practicing more, and I really started to enjoy doing hair accessories and losing at all passion for makeup. Like, I don't have any passion now. I'm not saying that I'll quit forever. I still have some brides next month that I have to do, but I'm not booking any more clients for a while now. And this is what I want to do. I want to do YouTube. I have a lot of knowledge about social media and marketing and all that stuff. I did so many online courses that I wanted to kind of teach you what I know. So this is what will be all about this is what my channel will be about. Social media, all that stuff, handmade stuff, small business, and all other stuff. So I started a new Instagram and TikTok. Because I was sick for so long, I didn't really post anything. So I have now exactly on Instagram 21 follower, and on TikTok I have 42 followers. So that's my starting point from today. I noticed that to get followers on Instagram, it's incredibly hard, I'm not gonna lie. So we will be trying different tricks and tips, and we will see what actually works. It doesn't matter in what industry you are. So yes, that's what we will be discussing on my vlogs and just in general. I'm really passionate about it, so that's what we will be doing. And check my socials if you're interested. Website, I would just apply a little bit of foundation to even my skin and mascara, and we will start doing TikTok live. I feel to get new followers on TikTok is by doing lives. That's the easiest way. Now I will tell you maybe in another video if you're interested how I can do lives without 1,000 followers. It's pretty easy. You can do it in 2 days. Sorry about my messy room, but craft room is always like that. Pretty excited who's joining me. Hello. If you will leave me some questions or just in general say hello. What else? I feel really comfortable and happy with what I'm doing now. Let me show you what's happening on the table and everything, but first let me put some mascara on. So already I know that my head is cut all the time, but let's do my crack. So I'll just wait while my hair will get dry a little bit, and then I'll start. I do my makeup. My foundation is a little bit dark, but never mind. I'll look more tan, more healthy. But yeah, so this is my makeup, really simple. And now I can share a little bit of my products, what I sell. I wanted to introduce you what products are on my website. Let me introduce you what I'm selling on my website right now. So I do sell scrunchies. So they come in a beautiful box. Now these boxes will be changing. I won't be shipping the boxes anymore. I will be putting all my products into string bags. So the scrunchie will come in string bag. All the products will come in these kind of bags. I just feel that they're more than the boxes. Now the problem with the boxes is, yes, it's nice to store them at home, but if you travel like me, I would much rather have a string bag than the box. So that's my opinion, and I will be doing that from now. When these boxes will finish, I will start doing that. And yeah, you can put anything what you want in them. After shipping will be cheaper for some products. For example, if you buy a scrunchie, this will come in a string bag. It will be cheaper just because it will be much thinner box rather than this box. So I do sell back again what I sell. I do sell scrunchies, so they look like that. They're really fluffy, they're really nice material, luxe product, and they look like that on the hand. So they're not too big. I don't really like too big of the scrunchies. Personally myself, I don't wear it. So I wanted something in the middle. So this is this. I'll show you quickly how it looks in the hair. So dun, 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 like that. Okay, so I don't know how this vlog will turn out, but hopefully you can see. So I do sell scrunchies, then I sell a lot of clips that I really love. I have a lot. Most popular fabric is this one. It has stars on the back. This one is 8 centimeters base. So this suitable is for thinner hair, for shorter hair like mine, or thinner, a lot of hair, thicker hair. Then 10 centimeter clip will be for you. Handmade, so they all will look different. Of course, they look like croissants. You can move them however you want. Show you side by side, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter one. So this one is 10, this one is 8. So this fabric is called Bounty on my website. And I will show you how you can clip them. So you can clip, of course, half of the hair like that, or you can put as a scrunchie up. It's just my hair is wet. I don't know if it will clip now because they're really messy. So like that. Like that. Sorry, but you get the gist. So they look like that. A lot of people get shocked that they clip all my hair, and it looks like scrunchy, but it's not. It's a clip. I'm gonna discontinue this one. It was really popular summertime for christening. The fabric still, I will have it because it's the best seller. It's this one. I showed you the clip already. But this is 3.5 centimeter thickness headbands that discontinued. So I will be having these headbands but in a thinner. So this is the thickest one that I have. So this is the last one that I have. I will be doing in, I can't show you now, I think. Oh, I'll be having in 2 centimeters and 1.5 centimeter thickness. So this one is 2.5, I think. It's like around 2.5. So beautiful emerald. It's perfect for fall. I have this on my website too. This is hands down my favorite one. This is what I wore the most. I don't know why. Is it because the green was really in or what? But I really do like this green. One thing that I want to tell you, that they don't hurt your head. They're really flexible. They're not like, they're bendy. They won't hurt your head. I'll quickly show you my full fabrics, and then maybe next vlog I will show you how they look already made. So these fabrics I bought from Lithuania. I brought them with me last week. So this one is the first one. I do really like this fabric. It's army green but darker. So really beautiful, look amazing with headbands. This kind of material, like really chiffon, I think it's called. So this is the first color. Now guys, now for full collection, I don't know how to name everything, like all the fabrics. So if you have any idea how, like what kind of name I could give to this fabric and other ones, please comment below. Next one, of course, we have to have it. I don't know yet if I leave this one for Christmas time. I think so. I won't probably do as a full collection, but this is the second fabric that I took. Now this is the next fabric. Then I got this thick one just because I didn't go to physical store. I bought everything online because I wasn't feeling well. I didn't look correctly, and I got this fabric. It's beautiful for fall, but it's really thick. So some of the products I won't be able to do with this fabric. I don't think that scrunchies will look nice with them. I will try. I don't know. Definitely hair bows. Oh, I forgot to show you. I do make hair bows too. Next is this one. Aubergine burgundy dark color. Please help me name this one too. Beautiful fabric. This fabric is definitely my top favorite. I'm sad that I didn't take more of this fabric, so it will be a really limited stock, but this is how it looks. I love it. Please help me name this fabric too. Of course I have to get some blacks because blacks are my favorite. Not gonna lie, I love black color, so I took this one. It's like satin crinkly black with the sheen. I got this one. It's like a pink but band pink. So I feel like who loves pink but don't want to go bright for fall, I think this. And the last one, it's black with polka dots. Look how many there is now. But yeah, that's all that I got. I still have some fabrics that I bought last time that I went there. There's a lot, so there is a lot to choose from. Yeah, let's go and try to do a live TikTok and start sewing and making products. Tomorrow I definitely need to take some product pictures and make some Canva stuff, so we can do together tomorrow. I see that I'm already talking 16 minutes, so I need to stop and I will do a speed up kind of behind the scenes what I'm doing video.